The California condor, North America's largest flying bird, with a wingspan of up to 9.5 feet. Once on the brink of extinction, only 27 condors remained in the wild by 1987. Thanks to intensive conservation efforts, including captive breeding and habitat protection, their numbers have climbed to over 500 today. These majestic scavengers play a vital role in the ecosystem, cleaning up carrion and preventing the spread of disease. But threats remain. Lead poisoning from ingested bullet fragments is a leading cause of death. You can help by supporting conservation efforts and using non-lead ammunition when hunting. The California condor, a symbol of hope and a testament to the power of conservation.